Experience cutting-edge innovation with the latest in wearable technology. The best smartwatch Samsung offers blends sleek design with advanced health tracking, seamless connectivity, and powerful performance, perfect for staying ahead in both style and functionality every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is a powerful blend of AI-driven insights and refined wearable technology designed to help users push their limits daily. With the integration of Galaxy AI, this smartwatch offers personalized performance tracking that allows you to compare your current run or bike ride with past performances, giving you a measurable way to improve. One of the most impressive features is the energy score, a metric that uses your previous day's activities to estimate how ready your body is to take on the current day. Whether you had a restful night or an active evening, this feature helps you tailor your day's activities accordingly. Heart health gets a major upgrade with improved heart rate tracking, which now uses motion filtering technology for more accurate readings during workouts. Another standout is the wellness tips feature, offering intelligent suggestions based on data collected by the watch and analyzed on your phone, making it easier to stay on track with fitness goals. For those focused on sleep, the Watch 7 includes enhanced sleep tracking capabilities and even detects moderate to severe sleep apnea, helping you identify hidden health concerns. The insights provided through sleep monitoring help you build healthier habits and promote better rest. Combined with a sleek design and Samsung's typically strong ecosystem integration, the Galaxy Watch 7 is a standout choice for those who want both style and substance in their wearable. Number 2. Samsung LTE AI Smartwatch. Built for endurance and engineered with intelligence, the Samsung LTE AI Smartwatch is a rugged and high-performing wearable designed for serious adventurers and fitness-focused users alike. The durable titanium build is made to withstand harsh conditions, from rainy mountain hikes to dusty trails, and even ocean swims thanks to its water-resistant design. This smartwatch also leverages Galaxy AI to transform your workouts. The AI-powered tracking compares your performance from previous sessions, encouraging you to outdo yourself with every ride or run. The energy score system provides a customized look at how ready your body is each day, taking into account your heart rate, step count, and sleep data. You'll wake up not just informed, but prepared, knowing how much energy you've got to give. The Wellness Tips feature adds an extra layer of support, offering tailored recommendations based on your data. Improved heart rate tracking ensures greater accuracy during exercise, especially in high-motion scenarios where typical wearables can fail. What makes this model shine is its LTE connectivity, giving users the ability to stay connected on the go, independent of a smartphone. This is ideal for those who enjoy remote workouts or outdoor adventures where carrying a phone isn't practical. The AI capabilities not only make tracking more intuitive, but also help unlock a better understanding of your fitness journey. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy 47mm Smartwatch. The Samsung Galaxy 47mm smartwatch brings together style, functionality, and advanced fitness tracking in one premium package. Designed with a classic aesthetic, its rotating bezel is both practical and stylish, offering intuitive control over apps and menus without smudging the screen. It comes with both medium and large bands to ensure a comfortable fit, especially for users with larger wrists. This smartwatch runs on Wear OS powered by Samsung, meaning it supports a wide range of apps, voice commands via Google Assistant, and deep integration with Android services. One of its standout wellness features is the always-on heart monitoring, which ensures you're constantly in tune with your cardiovascular health. It also includes personalized heart rate zones, which adjust based on your fitness level and offer real-time coaching feedback during workouts. Advanced sleep coaching helps you understand your nighttime habits and recommends ways to improve your rest, a crucial factor in recovery and daily energy. The watch also offers comprehensive GPS support, NFC for contactless payments, and dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, ensuring a fast and stable connection no matter where you are. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy 40mm Smartwatch. The Samsung Galaxy 40mm smartwatch is a refined, compact wearable that merges modern style with robust functionality. Ideal for those who prefer a smaller, sleeker timepiece, this model features an elegant aluminum frame in a soft gold tone with a cream band, exuding a subtle sophistication. Built with ultra-durable sapphire crystal glass, it resists scratches and damage, making it ideal for daily wear. Rated IP68 and 5 ATM, it's also water and dust resistant, capable of withstanding sweat, showers, and outdoor adventures. The Galaxy Watch 40mm excels in sleep help, with in-depth tracking of sleep stages, sleep scores, and consistency. Wearing it to bed provides valuable insights that help you optimize your rest and overall wellness. Additionally, it supports all-day heart rate monitoring and fitness tracking with GPS, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi, ensuring fast connectivity. Its lightweight form factor makes it comfortable for all day and night wear. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a powerhouse smartwatch made for fitness enthusiasts and outdoor explorers who want the best in performance and durability. With a large 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display and a crisp 450 by 450 resolution, visuals are vibrant and sharp. The display is protected by 2 times tougher sapphire crystal glass, making it highly resistant to scratches and impact. Powered by the Exynos Buckview 920 dual-core processor and running Android Wear OS 3.5 with One UI Watch 4.5, it offers smooth performance and deep customization. The 590 mAh battery delivers extensive usage, perfect for long hikes or multi-day use. It includes GPS route tracking and auto workout detection, ideal for runners and cyclists who want seamless performance logging. The redesigned bioactive sensor provides more accurate wellness readings by sitting closer to your skin, enhancing heart rate and other metrics. Sleep tracking is another strong suit, with advanced sleep coaching that analyzes the stages of your sleep and offers detailed reports and tips to improve rest.